The edge allows in-vehicle assistant to function without cloud connectivity. This hybrid approach is really ensuring us that the assistant behaves consistently, whether connected to the cloud or not, providing the same smart conversational behavior, advanced performance, reduced latency, and enhanced privacy and security. This leads to a very robust protection against malicious or unwanted interactions, all made possible through a hybrid system.
Both embedded and cloud capabilities are an important part of xUI. Can you tell me more about this hybrid approach?
Yeah, absolutely. It's very critical. So a hybrid assistant balances the reliability of always-on functionality with the flexibility of easier updates and upgrades in the cloud. So the edge allows in-vehicle assistant really to function without cloud connectivity. This is minimizing the need to share data with the cloud. This hybrid approach we are believing in is really ensuring us that the assistant behaves also consistently, whether connected to the cloud or not. And with more and more modern AI computing platforms coming, we can really leverage our Calm language models both on the edge and in the cloud, providing the same smart conversational behavior regardless of connectivity. So this is also enabling, different deployment options for our customers, the OEMs, right? They can choose between embedded only, embedded cloud, which we call hybrid, or a cloud-only deployment, which is really an advantage for them.
So better performance, more privacy, and quicker reactions, even in poor areas of connection, like the mountains?
Yeah, exactly. Advanced performance, reduced latency, and enhanced privacy and security are really the key aspects. And this leads to a very robust protection also against malicious or unwanted interactions, all made possible through a hybrid system.
What's your favorite example of how Cerence xUI improves the user experience, also compared to past systems?
Oh yeah, I have many examples, but one of my favorites is really how xUI lets users seamlessly navigate between different apps and tasks in one single conversation. So, for instance, you can ask for restaurant recommendation, start the navigation, adjust the temperature in your car, and then send the restaurant to a friend via messaging, all without needing to switch between different apps or initiate separate commands.
That's such a time saver. No more getting lost in menus.
Yeah, right. It's very intuitive and makes people more productive while driving. By the way, also, this extends to passengers too, as xUI can really interact with multiple people in the car. So for example, if one person says, hey, roll down the windows, another passenger on another seat can say, hey, mine too. And the system will understand that. This makes in-car interactions really more natural and at the end more collaborative.
How do you also see xUI evolving over the next years?
Yeah, we are moving very quickly to bring in even more capabilities and intelligence to Cerence xUI. Goal is always for us to support the end users and make them also more productive while driving. But yeah, let me give you some more concrete examples on how we imagine the future of xUI. So we extend in right now the platform to leverage contextual data from both the car and external sources, offering enhanced personalization by really remembering individual preferences and tailoring responses based on user patterns. Another example is we believe in a future of AI agents. So we are also adding options to connect externally built AI agents into the system. This means that, for instance, OEMs can build their own agents for specific tasks using external platforms and models and then integrate them into xUI. Calm, our orchestrator, will then make sure that the system is behaving consistently and that it's all in line also with the overall user experience design. Another example is, and we are really excited about that one, really bringing in more channels and senses. So we call that multimodality. And that goes really beyond speech and touch, where we also bring in vision. So for instance, from camera input, cameras inside of the car or cameras outside of the car, to really understand the nuances of human communication. For instance, it will be able to detect if you will be happy or if you are stressed or distracted, and then adjust the car settings and the cabin experience accordingly.
Thanks for your time and sitting down with me today. Very exciting. So let's see what's next.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Cerence AI, for a world in motion.